In this quick video, I'll show you how to enable 2FA on Rainbow Six Siege. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel and also like this video. First of all, we need to go to Ubisoft Connect. You can search it in your computer or you can go to their website. I'll simply open that software in my computer. Once you open it, tap on your profile. Now click on account management. Once you are here, click on security tab, and here you can see my two-step verification has been not activated. I want to enable it, so for that tap on this link which will be below your two-step verification. Once you tap on it, it will redirect you to this website. Here you can see two-step verification. I want to activate it, so for that click on activate, and here choose your preferred messaging channel. If you want to receive your code through email, then choose email from here and then click on choose. But if you want to get a code from authenticator app on your smartphone, then choose it and tap on choose. I want to get it from email. I'll select it, then click on choose, and it will send your email on your email address of Ubisoft Connect. Now open the Gmail inbox of that email. I'll simply open it in my computer, and here you can see I have received this email. All we need to do is type this exact code on our Ubisoft Connect two-step verification page. I'll simply type it here. There you go, I have successfully verified my Rainbow Six Siege code through my email, and it will ask you to log out from your computer. Tap on logout and reopen the Ubisoft Connect software in your computer. You can see two-step verification activated via email. So this was the process. Now if I was a big help, can you please subscribe my channel? I would really appreciate it. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.